I'll keep that going with some terrible teal news, unfortunately. Jaguars rookie receiver Justin Blackmon is wearing orange instead of teal after being arrested for his second DUI. Oh, boy, not the way we wanted to start the week. This news over the weekend. Police in Stillwater, Oklahoma, where he is or was arrested, say he was 3 times over the legal limit. I'm joined right now this morning by attorney and NFL certified sports agent John Phillips. John, this is terrible news, first of all, but what kind of effect do you think this could have on Blackmon and the Jaguars, really, on and off the field?
Off the field, this is his second DUI, but his first DUI in Oklahoma. The first one was in Texas. So it's charged as aggravated DUI, which can be a felony. So there's anywhere from 5 to 10 days mandatory in jail, and there could be more. On the field, the NFL, despite the fact he hadn't signed his contract yet, the NFL, he's still within the Roger Goodell's powers to sanction him under the disciplinary conduct code. So he could be facing, especially this being, again, his second DUI. They go back, even though it was prior. He could be facing a suspension.
And some of those things are different now with the new CBA, and the Jaguars really can't punish. It will be the NFL that will punish him.
Because it's under alcohol and drugs, it's the NFL.
And most people I talked to over the weekend on Sunday when this news broke said, why? I mean, what are you doing? I mean, it's already had it once. You can't even put yourself in this situation, obviously.
His problem is the way he came out to the Jaguars and to the media and said, look, this has never happened again. It was a stupid mistake. And then to happen in this fashion, .24 at 3 a.m. by himself. He's about to make $8,000 a day. Get a cab. That's what people don't understand, especially with all the fatalities that happen from DUI.
We're looking at a chart right now, John. .24. I mean, this is dangerous levels of alcohol.
When you're at the combine and they say you're off the charts, it's a good thing. When you're off this chart, it's a bad thing. This is per hour, and you metabolize about 1 alcoholic drink an hour. Well, he had to have consumed quite a bit of alcohol for quite a bit of time to get a .24. This is, like I said, this is an hour, and you would have completely been off this charts with over 12 drinks, but he drank it over a long period of time.
And he blew that level that we say .24 at like 3 or 4 in the morning.
Correct.
It could have been higher.
It could have been higher. I'm surprised they haven't already tried to make excuses with his agent saying, hey, he's on medication or something else. You never know. And, there is a chance if he gets, he was speeding and crossing a line. If they can fight those, maybe they can fight the DUI. It all comes together, but it's an uphill battle for him.
John Phillips, thanks a lot for joining us this morning. More on this story, you can go to actionnewsjax.com. This isn't going anywhere, folks. Dawn?